If your career is in sales, you're going to want to click the link and learn more. If you manage a sales team, you're going to want to click the link and learn more. If you need to make double or triple the money that you're making in your sales career to truly enjoy your life, you're going to want to click the link and learn more. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching in the world. And if you want to double or triple yours or your team's income, it's not about changing your comp plan, your territory, your products, or God forbid, looking for a new job. It's about having a better sales process, and that's what we can give you at Easton University. When you click the link here to learn more, you're going to get access to the Easton University on-demand learning portal. It's got everything you need to take your career to the next level. And where the real magic happens is you're going to be able to do live coaching with me twice a week. I'm going to be there with you every single step of the way to help you double or triple the amount of money that you're making in sales right here, right now. You are about to become a certified master sales consultant, and CMSCs make 3 times more than their peers in the industry. Click the link here. I'll see you on the other side.